Open page number 14, children. As I told you that the lesson name Tiger's Tail. What is the tiger's name? Raja. What is his name? Bengal tiger. It lives in the forest. So, as it is expressing its views to us, what it is telling, I soon need to move out and live alone in my own territory. What is the meaning of territory? Territory. Territory. What is the meaning of territory? An area defended by an animal from others. The meaning of territory is an area defended by an animal from others. Means, for example, it is my house. I am staying in E61. This is my house. You cannot come and stay in my house. So, in the same way, territory means it is the place occupied by the tigers. Okay. So, the tigers, they move around, and most of the forest seems to belong to other male tigers. So they have signed their place with their urine that they belongs to the territory that is their own campus. Okay, come to the next paragraph, children. From here I want to tell continuation of the lesson. We tigers have a major space crunch. The meaning of space crunch is shortage of space. Tigers are telling that we are having a shortage of space. Understand? This forest is not large enough for the number of tigers who live here. There might be another tiger reserve not far away, but miles of human occupied land lies in between. How am I supposed to get there? We urgently need protected areas connecting one reserve to the another. So what the tigers are telling here, my dear friends, my dear human people, my dear humans, we are having shortage of space. But why the humans are also coming to forest and occupying our place? How can we protect from ourselves? Huh? Yes, please help us. Don't come to forest. Don't kill us. So what is the next paragraph? Come to the next paragraph. Poachers. Underline poachers. Poachers. Right there itself, underline poachers. Right there, hunters. Hunters. Poachers means hunters. Poachers with guns come and kill us and sell our skins, bones, and other body parts for large sums of money. So, what is the meaning of poachers? Hunters. See, the hunters, they go to the forest and they kill tigers, cattle, deer, and they use their skins. You know, so in the see, during a forefathers period, the kings used to live, and in the kings, on the wall of the on their walls, the skin of the tigers they are fixed. That shows their kingdom. That shows the greatness of the king. So, in the same way, they used to sell their skins, the bones. What are the uses of bones? To make a medical powder, medicines. So, other parts means teeth. So, different parts are used. They used to sell for large sums of money. They used to sell and they get money. Come to the second line. Others come to hunt wild pigs and deer. Forest, forest guards have a difficult and dangerous job trying to keep us and our prey safe. So forest officers, you know, no children. So forest officers, they guard themselves, they help themselves, but still some are killing the animals and they are making us to not get prey. Prey means food. What is the food of tigers? See the fourth line. When people take away our food, we are forced to sneak into farms and fields in the middle of the night and snatch cattle to eat. This upsets the farmers who then try to kill us with poisoned meat. I have lost a friend that way. So here what is the paragraph explaining? See, some people who are coming from into the forest and they are killing cattle, deer for getting money. Then what about our food? We are depending upon that food. So if food is not there, then we used to come out from the forest and we used to snatch out the cattle from farms, fields. In the same way, when one of my friend I lost, when they ate poisoned meat. The human beings, they try to kill us with poisoned meat. In that way, I lost one of my friend also, children. So the tiger is expressing that to not come into the forest, and kill the other animals. They are requesting. Okay, come to the next paragraph, children. Just 100 years ago, over 1 lakh wild tigers lived across Asia. Today, fewer than 4,000 tigers survive in the wild. Human beings have cut down forests to make homes for themselves. The tiny part that remains as natural tiger habitat, people still want to make roads or set up other projects. I feel very angry. I feel very angry about this. Humans have much more land than us. Why can't they stay away from us? From our protected areas? See here, what they are expressing means just 100 years ago, over 1 lakh wild tigers used to be. Now there are very few. Understand? Because they are dying. The human beings are killing. Why they are cutting down forests? If forests are cut down, how we will get food? We cannot get food, no. The human beings are making roads, they are building buildings, and how we can be protected? We are not having any protected area. So, my dear humans, it is our request to not cut forests and to not kill our prey. This is my request. Okay, children, humans have much more land than us. Why can't they stay away? Why can't they stay away from our protected areas? Up to here, you mark it with your pencil. Read the textbook. Tomorrow I am going to ask you the questions. To be continued tomorrow, children. Read the textbook carefully. Understand the topic.